Welcome to the Biotech Support Group Product Knowledge Series on Albuvoid. Albuvoid is an albumin depletion and low abundance protein enrichment kit from samples including serum, plasma tissues, and cell culture media. Albuvoid is an albumin depletion reagent kit. It removes albumin from serum and plasma samples while concentrating low abundance and/or low molecular weight proteins. Albuvoid considerably enhances resolution of proteins below 50 kD, a limitation of alternate enrichment protocols. It's disposable, cost-effective, no column regeneration or cross-contamination occurs. Low abundance enrichment is equivalent or better than hexapeptides or antibodies. Albuvoid does not bind albumin. All other proteins except albumin in the sample binds to albuvoid. So you can elute off all the proteins minus the albumin, resulting in low abundance serum protein enrichment. This two-dimensional gel electrophoresis analysis of albuvoid treated with sheep serum shows samples were reduced, alkylated, and protein normalized. Second dimension was on 8 to 16% polyacrylamide gels. Gels 1 and 2 were stained with Comasi. The circled regions indicate the albumin zone. On gel 1, sheep serum sample. On gel 2, albuvoid eluate. And on gel 3, same as 2, albuvoid eluate stained with SilverQuest silver stain is displayed. The differences between the gels illustrate the efficiency of albumin removal. Vast majority of the other proteins are retained with no intrinsic bias with respect to molecular weight or pI. Authors Espes et al. Published an article in the journal Diabetologica, which discovered an increase in hormone beta-trophin in type 1 diabetics as compared to healthy individuals. Beta-trophin causes an increase of pancreatic beta cell replication and regulates glucose levels. Found in liver and adipose tissue, the hormone also increases beta cell mass expansion. Analysis of beta-trophin by mass spectrometry or gel electrophoresis could require enriching the protein mixture and depleting high abundance proteins to display less abundant proteins. The article titled Increased Circulating Levels of Beta-Trophin in Individuals with Long-Standing Type 1 Diabetes utilized Albuvoid's albumin depletion protocol for removing albumin from serum samples. The article quotes Albuvoid from Biotech Support Group. Plasma samples were depleted of albumin using Albuvoid albumin depletion kit, Biotech Support Group, Monmouth Junction, New Jersey. Data were normalized for total protein content. Beta-trophin increases proliferation of beta cell, and this study identified double the concentration of beta-trophin as measured by Western immunoblot using a beta-trophin primary antibody in type 1 diabetics. Moreover, factors such as age and healthy controls displayed a direct relationship with increase in beta-trophin, whereas triacylglycerol, LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol levels, and insulin were not affected. Increasing concentrations of beta-trophin did not prevent against the loss of C-peptide, suggesting type 1 diabetes on beta-trophin treatment would benefit from combination treatment. The authors concluded an intervention in patients with type 1 diabetes with beta-trophin treatment might require supraphysiological dosing as well as combination with immune regulatory treatment. Additional references on Albuvoid are published in journals such as Diabetologica, Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology News, and online publications and patents. To order Albuvoid, visit biotechsupportgroup.com or contact sales at biotechsupportgroup.com. Albuvoid is available as AVK-05 5 preps, AVK-10 10 preps, ABK-5050 preps. For more information, please visit biotechsupportgroup.com. Thank you.